First thing is because our bread and butter is on the tourists, and since the tourists were not coming, so we are not able to earn a single penny, and that was the very difficult time for us.
Really bad. I mean, because this is the only industry which is still struggling to come up. Rest, all the business have started, all the industries have, all the people have started working. But the hospitality industry is still suffering badly. Like, a lot of people have lost their jobs in hotels, in restaurant. I myself have not been working for almost 2 years now because there are no tourists for me.